Is the energy high? Yes, I want to hear all together. Wow, 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 wow. That's what we call the strong personalities all together, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to give some more details about the movies, the short films that we are talking about to the people. Let me tell you, Pocket Films has got you 4 curated short films, and yes, we are glad so you are here with us. The first movie that we'll be talking about is Cow Cow, which is directed by Dr. Swanand Wag. Moving on with the second movie, which is Prava, directed by Miss Simar Bhatia, and the third one, directed by Mr. Ankit Dabas, which is Bahar Aa Chaman Prakash. This sounds really an interesting one, I think so. Moving on, the next short film will be directed by Miss Pratima Joshi, that is Chand Sase. And here we have the team of Cow Cow. Is it?
So, the reason behind this title Cow Cow, because it's so simple. I could have easily gone with a difficult title or something which has a deep meaning. But मेरी जो कहानी वो एक चाइल्ड के पीओवी से, किड के पीओवी से, so that along that title Cow Cow से just आवाज जो आ रही थी क्रो का, so that way.
That's really, really interesting. So I would like to name out all the names that is related to Cow Cow. Director is Dr. Swanand Wag is here. Music director by Mr. Sankalp Zore. And yes, assistant director by Mr. Aniket Kalyan Kasture. And we have the cast as well, which is Miss Devya Parthe, Miss Pratiksha Kamble, and production head by Mr. Shubham Kadam. And let's not forget the director of photography, that is DOP, Mr. Rupesh Kotetkar. And yes, it is amazing. The concept is very amazing. Before you came inside, I was also studying about the movie, the short film that we are going to see. It's about a child. We have a kid in the movie as well. So the main challenge is it is very sensitive topic. When it comes to such topics where ladies are involved, there's something that we don't usually discuss outside. But in this movie, we are discussing that thing. So how challenging is it, or how do you get the strength, the smartness to discuss and disclose such sensitive topic, and having a kid artist, a child artist in the movie? How do you make it happen?
Like you said, it was a really challenging task. First of all, to convince the child, then his mother especially, because the child he's not a professional actor. He stays in that village where the shooting was done. So it was very challenging task to convince his mother that we are going to shoot a short film which is related to periods, which is related to Pindadan types, जो भी reference था. So it was challenging, but I don't know, but it just happened. I successfully convinced them to let her child act in that movie.
That's amazing. That's amazing, ladies and gentlemen. All the movies are here, and yes, how can we forget? How can we forget the host and presented by? It is being presented because of him. The movies are reaching here to us. Amazing, amazing ones. So, Mr. Ajay Dhoke, the general manager of Northside, Shri Pankaj Saxena, artistic director, MIF. Welcome, sir. It feels amazing to have you here on the stage. And yes, let's thank Mr. Samir Modi. He's the managing director of Pocket Films. Hello, sir. Can you answer a few of the questions from our side as well? Okay, so here we have the question to you is what inspired you to participate in the Mumbai International Film Festival this year?
I think MIF is one of the foremost festivals in the country, which primarily focuses on short films and documentaries. And being a distributor of short films, I think it was only natural for us to be here. And we got a great opportunity here, thanks to MIF, to bring some of our films for the audiences here, as well as give a certain podium for creators like them here. So this, I think, kind of helps us in throwing the spotlight on this format of content and creating a lot greater awareness for such films. And we feel that this is one of the most interesting formats, especially given reduced attention spans. And the more we put the spotlight on these films, it's always better. We're doing our role in it.
Thank you. That's a really good question. I just want to sort of remind the people who may not know, fiction cinema started with short films, and then short films became long films. And when short films became long films, people forgot short films. So the whole market and the whole imagination was captured by the long films. But the talent for making short films was always there and is still here, very much here. The requirement for short films to prosper is to give them distribution. and to make that business viable, which is what Sameer is doing and doing it splendidly. So I'm really delighted that we are able to curate these films here and that Sameer himself is present here along with his creative team. So it's a very delightful moment for us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And let's move on and come to Mr. Ajay Dokheya. He's the general manager of North Area. And sir, we are here since 5 days now. It's a 7-day a week, a festival. What are your thoughts on that? How does it feel to be managing all these things? And since
Mumbai International Film Festival feels great. I think this is a platform. I think every actor wants to probably be a part of it. Every director wants to be a part of it. Very esteemed jury, the entire team. I think thank you so much for having us here. Coming back to my director, I think Simar, when she had approached me for this film, the first thing she said कि we get to travel. So I said जो भी हम लोग करते हैं, मैंने कहानी भी नहीं सुनी थी, ऐसे नहीं करते हैं. And then obviously, you know, when she sat down and she wrote the script and everything came together. बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि पहली बात तो आई थिंक हम सबको घूमना बहुत पसंद है. ट्रैवलिंग एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके साथ आई थिंक हम वी ऑल रेजोनेट, हम कनेक्ट करते हैं. सो या आई थिंक घूमने के साथ थोड़ी एक्टिंग भी कर ली, थोड़े मज़े भी कर लिए, और क्या चाहिए यार. आई थिंक इट्स अ कंप्लीट पैकेज. एंड ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ ग्रेट when the film is getting screened at the Mumbai International Film Festival. Yes.
thank you so much, sir. That was a very nice answer that it connects with everyone.
Hi, thank you very much for having me here tonight. My name is Paul Murphy. I'm Australia's Consul General here in Mumbai. It's a great pleasure to be here for this event because we've been working for many years to bring about closer collaboration between the film industries of Australia and India, and we've actually signed an audiovisual co-production agreement just in recent years, and we're looking to have more and more films made in a collaborative way between both countries. So, great pleasure to be here tonight. Thank you.
So what you seek might be seeking you. So I think the idea of Prabha is that we're always flowing like water, you know. The idea is to flow like water. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि we are running कि लाइफ में ये कर लें, वो अचीव कर लें, यहाँ चले जाएं, उससे मिल लें. बट कई बार होता है कि लाइफ भी आपको शायद आपके लिए वो सब प्लान कर रही होगी पहले से ही, बट वी डोंट नो. So I think it's important to just keep flowing. And as they say, I think a rolling stone gathers no moss. It's important to just keep flowing like water. कहीं भी थमना नहीं चाहिए. आई थिंक जितने हमारे सब फैमिली यहाँ पर है मेरी, ये आज तक थमे नहीं है. ये सालों से मुझे ऐसे ही दिख रहे हैं और ऐसे ही दिखते रहेंगे, आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.